Alright, Louie, be on high alert. That kaiju may be near us.
Okay. Wait, I see something.
What is it?
It's an eye. In the trees.
Wait a minute. Oh my goodness, it's that kaiju we were looking for!
We gotta do something!
Don't worry, Louie. I'm a kaiju dragon. And you know what they have? Ha! Yes, we did it!
Wow, that was really loud.
Well, what can I say? I'm a kaiju.
Thank you, boys. I am finally at rest. Farewell.
Well, at least everything is back to normal.
Yep. Also, I might have gone blind from the light. Can you take me to the hospital?
Yeah, sure.